With a nonprofit board management plugin, we wanted to give your nonprofit the ability to manage your board more simply and effectively using the WordPress system that you probably already use for your own website. So what I want to do now is just show you some of the key features that we included. The first is if you click board members right here on the left, you can actually see a list of all of the board members, including their name, phone number, email address, their current job, and the committees they serve on the board. You can also actually click over here on board committees on the left, and you can see a list of all of the board committees that exist, a description for each one of those committees, and each of the committee members that serve on each one of those. And you can actually even go in and easily edit those. So let's do that for public relations. We click on public relations. We can actually add Denzel Washington to the public relations committee. Hit update. We click view all committees, and you actually see Denzel Washington has been added to the list for public relations. Let's take a look at board events. Within board events, you can see all the upcoming board events. So we have a board meeting, charity golf tournament, a marketing meeting, and along with each one of those events, you can see the location. So this one's here at 7701 Forsyth Boulevard. If there's an address included, you can actually click this link, and it'll take you right to Google Maps. You can see the date and time for each one of the events, a description for each event, and who's coming to those events. You can also, for every board member, you can also RSVP directly from this list. So I can actually click I'm going here, and you see it showed up my name right here. Let's say for this next event, the charity golf tournament, I'm not going to be able to make it. So I can just click I'm not going, and it'll automatically show me as not RSVP'd. If we click charity golf tournament, you can actually see here on the right there's an RSVP list. So we can see who's going, who's not going, and who hasn't responded. And you can see Abraham Lincoln, that's me. I've already RSVP'd that I'm not going. And every board member will be able to see this. The next thing I want to show you is board resources. Board resources is really a section where you can add whatever content and links you want for all the board members to see. So in here you can see under your board resources we already added some to-dos for new board members, and we added a link to our board marketing strategy. So we can actually go ahead and hit edit your board resources. And let's say for all new board members, we want them to meet with committee members, but then we also want them to meet with executive board members. So we'll go ahead and add that, hit update, and now if we go back to view your board resources, you can see that's added right here in board resources, and all board members will be able to see that. We also added some other helpful resources at the bottom that you might want to use for your board. The last feature I want to show you is the support tab. Within the support section, we included a ton of different YouTube videos to help you manage your board using this system. So there's getting started with nonprofit board management, how to add a board member, how to RSVP to an upcoming event, edit board resources, and a number of others. The last thing I want to point out is that you can even add premium upgrades to the system. So right now you can add automatic event RSVP and reminder emails, and you can add event attendance tracking. So you can actually track attendance for each one of your board members at events. And that's it. Thanks a lot. We're excited to see you use the plugin.